Yo, this is Mr.O with the yummy, delicious cooking show. And today I almost forgot to turn the camera on. I say 3 times. I almost forgot to turn the camera on. I almost forgot to turn that camera on. I almost forgot to turn the camera on. We're making some legs, some chicken leg. It's going to put the curry on it already. I put some black pepper on one side, but I got to turn it on the other side, but do the same thing. And I'm going to put some jerk season in. Now, shout out to all my Guyanese, all my Trinidadian, all my Jamaican, all my West Indian, massive Virgin Islands, Bahamas, Bermuda, St. Lucia, Caracas, Montserrat, everywhere. Brooklyn like an island by itself, you know, right? Harlem, Bronx, all right. Yeah, man, East Orange, North Florida. Yeah, man. So anyway, yeah, man, you know, I have Trini in my family. You say, where are you from? I have Trini, my grandfather from Trini, my bride from St. Thomas, my sister-in-law from Jamaica, you know, all over the place. You name it, I got it, all right? So anyway, I put it on one side. I already wash it. For all my students and my young people, number one, I wash the chicken. I wash the chicken, I defrost it, and I wash it, all right? So now, I'm going to turn it over with the, man, I'm not going to tell you why I'm using a spoon today. I'm not going to tell you. It doesn't matter. I said it doesn't matter. Okay. So anyway, it's going to be yummy delicious. This is my yummy delicious cooking show. Turn it over, yo. All right. Because you want the seasoning on both sides. You don't want the seasoning on one side. You want the seasoning on both sides. And to me, I'm not, you know, grandma, I'm not grandpa that really cook, like back in the day, you know? But I learned from them. Some things I don't do the way they did, but it tastes delicious. And that's what's important, you know? So, anywho, now we're gonna put the thing on the other side. All right. Now, I do like oregano. That's my secret. Oregano, sprinkle some oregano. It's Italian, but a lot of Italians do oregano. And me another thing, I just put garlic on everything. Pavo, garlic, pavo chicken. I mean, yeah, whatever the garlic is in Spanish. Ajo. Right? I put garlic on everything. Garlic is so good for you. Garlic is so good for you. And now, I need the pepper. If it don't have spice and a little hotness, you know, well, how could you call it within it? That's how I see it. That's how I see it, sir. It has to have some pepper. You don't have pepper, why even eat it? Now, I don't deal with salt. My bride deal with salt. She deal with the sea salt. The sea salt to me, nah, here's the secret. Some people make this from scratch, you know, and that's what I mean. I don't make it from scratch yet. All right, that's the jerk seasoning. Me say the jerk seasoning. It's the jerk seasoning. I tell you 3 times jerk seasoning. So you should get it right. Kids don't learn in school like they used to. They don't have everything. Most kids don't know the timetables anymore by heart. We know them by heart. You spread it. Spread it on all the chicken. I need a little more, right? And after you spread it, I have the oven. I preheat the oven already to 350 degrees. This will probably take 45 minutes to an hour to cook. All right. And now, normally I throw it in the oven, but my bride tell me her trick and it make the meat fall off the bone. I say it make the meat fall off the bone. And that way she put the aluminum foil on the bottom of the pan, and then she put the aluminum foil on the top. It keeps the heat in. It's kind of like a science lesson, you know. It keeps the heat in. So you wrap it up. You put this on top. Now, it'll be impossible for the air to just come out easily. So what it is, all the yummy, delicious seasoning I put in will just evaporate right. Try to come out. It won't come out the steam. We'll bring it back. And it's just the steam will circulate, encapsulate the chicken so that when you put it on your tongue, on your palate, it will be so yummy, delicious. And that's why it's the Yummy Delicious Mr.O Cooking Show. And what's that guy, Gordon Ramsay, I don't know. I meet you one day, and one day we battle it out, and I bet you mine tastes better than yours. Ramsay Gordon. I'm Mr.O, the hip-hop teacher, though. He has to go. Right, so I opened up the oven. I put it in. That's it. Normally, I promise I'm gonna let you see it when it ends, but now I gotta wait all this time. Maybe I take a snapshot and put it up on TikTok, maybe on YouTube. Okay, just so you can see, and I hope you can taste it, and you tell me how it tasted, because last time I made blueberry, cinnamon, banana pancakes, and my students said, oh, Mr.O, it tastes so good, we loved it, using their imagination, of course. So, you're gonna use your imagination, and one day I'll come to your location, they gotta pay me, and then I give you some chicken, or whatever you want me to cook, salmon, whatever you want me to cook. I love fish, which is my favorite dish. Shout out to Rakim. All right, okay guys, see you later. All right, let me know in the comments how you like it, how tasty it's gonna be. And if you learned something, first you wash it. You could defrost it if it was in the freezer, then you wash it. And then you season both sides with whatever you want. But you see my recipe, I give you heat. So, and then that's it. You put it in the oven, you put the aluminum foil, and then that's it, all right? All right, I'm getting ready to go play cricket. So I see you later. Peace. Rastafari.